special and she reckless. MB, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it.
Hello, my darlings. I just wanted to show you this traditional black country recipe that I am making to take up the boatyard for us. In the black country, we call it grey peas and bacon. So in here, do you remember when you was a kid and you used to have a pea shooter? Well, these are we call them in the black country pigeon peas, grey peas or grey peas. And what you do is you soak them overnight for 24 hours with a bit of bicarbonate of soda in a bowl. Then you drain them off, give them a swill, cover them with water and boil them up. I've put a couple of oxo cubes in, a beef stock cube, some pepper, some Worcester sauce, and then here is the bacon, which I have cut up, diced up and just fried off, so there's a little bit of crunch to it. And then add the bacon to the grey peas, and it is absolutely delicious with crusty bread. So I'm going to add the bacon and just leave it to simmer for a little while and thicken up a bit more. My mouth's watering. It is absolutely a delicious traditional black country winter warmer. Let me know down in the comments if any of you have ever tried black country grey peas and bacon, and it's a must-have on bonfire night. It's absolutely delicious. So yeah, let me know whether you've ever tried it, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
But we haven't had another one of this yet.
It's definitely shy then.
Oh yeah. Oh, that took me far. It's going to be big.
Oh my God, Lloyd, look at...
No, it's nothing yet. That's nothing yet. Believe me.
Wow, it's getting warm, isn't it?
That's nothing yet.
Go on, we'll put it on the bonfire.
Betty Boop will be alright. Betty Boop might be a plastic mould in the morning.
Oh, what's on there, banging?
I haven't put nothing. What's banging? No explosives on there at all. I'm going to go and get a foot.
Oh, the old moon's coming out as well, look. That's quite nice, isn't it?
He's come dressed as a minion.
Hey! Where's the caravan gone?
It's
on the fire. Good. Hello, Pam.
Hiya, Pam.
Stinky. Don't forget Daddy Maxine.
Yeah, I'm all right, thanks.
Nick, you haven't put nothing on there this year, have you? A couple of pops there was just now. A couple of big gas bottles on there.
Every
time you say something to it always happens that. No, that's getting hot now. They're working
No, feel it from here.
more practical than that was right. Every time we look at it.
You've got fireworks. Steve,
this is what we know.
get your fireworks. About an hour. Do it now if you want. No, don't chuck them on.
Who's fireworks then? Biggie?
No. They're down the front, right down the middle, yeah, aren't they?
We're right, guys. King's gone to especially on the roof.
There's holes in the side and you have to put the nails in and then
David, touch the front of Betty Boop. Come this way. Come this way. You can smell it burning. You can smell Betty Boop burning. Serious? Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. It's burning. I'm fucking telling you, it's burning. Look at the clues. Look at the copper nut in there.
Yeah. So that boat that's on there.
Hey David, can I admit one thing? She'll be dry.
Oh my god, no.
Yeah, that boat's Silver Wake.
Silver Wake.
Last boat built in Aberystwyth.
Okay, so that's burnt to a cinder now.
Oh my god, there's the side they're going now. Hey, at least it's controlled.
By whom?
You wanted to throw on the fire?
We're supposed to be sensible adults.
Steve, you are not a sensible adult.
That's better. Now who's going to light it on top of that one?
I don't know what it is. Oh! No, the fireworks are here!
You wanted to throw on the fire?
Yeah, that would have been better on the fire. Oh, pretty! Fuck off, you go!
Now! Wait for it to go out, you bloody idiots! Alcohol
Hey, what you got to be careful.
and fireworks does not mix.
A firework lands on your head and you get one patch in it.
We won't set fire to the ground. There's a fucking big hole there.
Go on, Steve.
They're pretty.
Go on, Les, you the sensible adult.
That's the one.
What did you say? Steve's the sensible adult.
Now Les is,
Les?
Steve
You
isn't.
would have chucked the bag on with me.
I was going to chuck
You
you
would have chucked the whole bag on, wouldn't you?
Now the bottom one. Bottom one.
Carter, are you open that packet? Here, this one's open.
That's a short fuse.
Oh! Wow!
Oh, fucking nice.
That's what we wanted to do
That's
with you.
nice, isn't it?
We got no more rockets now, though.
Oh,
We've only got...
finally.
Oh.
Chuck them on the fire.
Now! Oh, team, chuck 'em on the fire. Cara, where you gone? Oh, there you are. Oh, Cara's got sparkler. Woo! Where they gone? Oh, they're over there. It's very dark. Oh, I'm moving back.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
Pretty is the death on the fire.
Said the voice from the darkness. Is that it?
No.
Oh, Steve, have you just threw one on there?
No. Right. Look out!
Steve, that ain't.
That's all right. It's one of them. It's all right.
That is not funny.
That's all right. That's nice, isn't it? No. They don't agree.
No, we don't agree. We're throwing them on the fire.
I was thinking it was a rocket. It's fucking a rocket. Pretty! Oh! It's like dynamite. Oh, pretty! Got me.
30 seconds.
Yeah, that's a thing. We don't do it.
Where's Heidi?
He's hiding. He's hiding behind the boat.
The baldy coot. Where's the baldy coot?
They're fucking damp. They're fucking damp. The pirates are damp.
No, you lot ain't even funny. Cara, them on about throwing them on the fire and them shooty ones. No. Let's get round here. I can hear them conspiring. Oh, ow, oh. Let's hide behind the boat. Them naughty. And we're going to be covered here. Hang on. God, it's like being on an adventure.
He owes you revenge. Look at them over there, look at them.
S-O-S. S.
We've got more sparklers for you.
Hear them. Chuck them on, chuck them on.
That's stupid.
Them naughty.
Ready?
Them throwing them on the fire.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Fucking that's stupid. They soon shut up if they shot their way.
Fireworks! Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's pointing the wrong way, isn't it? It's pointing into the fire.
Well, that was pathetic.
Well,
Oh, pretty!
Oh! Pardon? Have you? Yeah, go and get them.
Put it on the edge of the fire, man. Oh, that fucked up. I didn't go in there,
hey, did you just chuck something in?
No.
Yes, you did.
It didn't go into the fire, though.
Did it not?
Oh,
Idiots.
be careful. For fuck's sake. Oh! There's a fence there. Oh!
Here you are, girls. Some sparklers.
Thank you.
Do you want me to light one?
One going in the fire.
Have a sparkler.
Have a sparkler.
I've got a sparkler.
You got a sparkler?
I've got a sparkler.
Okay. This is. You think we're nuts?
Yes, Steve,
Oh,
we
that's
do.
okay then. I'll guarantee a good time.
Oh,
Fucking useless. How did you like the other one, Cara?
in the fire. But we're scared to go buy it now because you keep throwing
No,
stuff
I
in.
didn't. Honest to God, it wasn't me. It was Les. Can you? Oh, come on.
Dear me.
Did they say? Oh shit!
I tell you what, them like big bloody kids. You
Want
have.
me to light these for you? That was no good.
I'm stuck in. I nearly went flying over that bastard fence.
Doggy fence. Oh dear.
Are you jumping another one on?
Oh, this is an heavy one. What's that say?
Don't chuck that one.
Fuck's sake.
I feel like I've got nothing to hide behind, car.
Get back, Steve. Just fucking fire if it comes to you back. Just get back, yeah, the boat alive. Fuck, you twat. Get back.
That must be a bit. That one.
Get upside fucking down.
No, that's alright.
Oh,
Good job on you.
Oh dear.
Where's the other one?
Is that it? That is a fucking.
be careful, Mick.
I can see where the point in the point side. That was like fucking. That was like. Sneeze your eye, just stick in there. Sneeze your eye.
Is that all of them done now?
Is that all of them now?
Hello, my darlings. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all okay. It's lovely to see you all again. Hope you've had a great week. Yeah, welcome back to another video. Little bit of a vlog. I've inserted some footage of the bonfire, which you would have seen already. Oh my God, we had such a laugh. We really, really did. As you can see from the lighting of the fireworks, it was like, oh my God. I just don't know. There was like big kids, there really was, and they'd had a few beers, and well, it just damn mixed us it. But we really did have a great weekend, and the grey peas, or grey peas, if you're from the Black Country, went down an absolute treat. Nobody had ever tried them before, and they all really, really enjoyed them, so they went down a treat. So I'm gathering that, you know, every bonfire night now, yeah, I'll be making grey peas and bacon. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that bit of footage. Let me know if you went to a bonfire or anything, or, you know, whether you do celebrate bonfire night or not. I do enjoy bonfire night, and that fire, oh my God, it was so big. It really, really was. And I think I did mention in the clip that there was a boat on there, and that boat was the last boat to ever be built in Aberystwyth. And yeah, now it's gone. Piece of history up in smoke. Excuse me. And excuse the state of me today. Yeah, I've hardly got any makeup on, and I've just threw my comfies on because the sun's just come out. But I tell you what, the weather the last 2 days here has been absolutely shocking. I haven't been out the house since we got back from the boatyard on Sunday. I've just stayed in because it's too cold, and it is absolutely pissed down constantly. But I've just sat down to film the outro of this video, and the sun's come out. So yeah, that's nice that there's a little bit of sunshine. And I was going to be starting my Christmas decorations this week, but that's gone out the window because Les has been called away on business for the week. So I'm going to have to wait until he gets back because I can't get the decorations down from the garage loft on my own. So hopefully, if he's feeling up to it over the weekend, I'm going to get the decorations down and start the decorating next week. So stay tuned for that. I've also got a giveaway for you in this video as well, which I'll do in a little while. So if you're interested in entering the giveaway, please keep watching. But I thought I'd just end this vlog with showing you my beauty boxes. They've turned up, so I thought I'd show them you in case you're interested. Roccabox and look fantastic. I don't have Glossy Box no more. It's absolutely rubbish. And to be honest, once the subscriptions run out on these two, I'm going to be stopping them as well because it's just samey all the time. You know, the same products over and over again. You get them in one box and then the next month you'll get the same thing in another box. So yeah, I think I'm just going to knock them on the head when these subscriptions have run out. But we'll start with Glossy Box. I've got my Glarnies, which need a clean. Yeah, Roccabox, monthly subscription. I do prefer Roccabox out of all of them. That being said, it's not brilliant this month, but it's okay. There's a couple of nice products in it. So we've got a sneak peek for next month, which is, right, the glasses have got to go on. the Doctor's Formula Power Active Caffeine Serum. So that's what's coming in December's box. And then in this box, this is what I do like about Roccabox as well. They give you prices and stuff. So let me just get all these bloody noodle things out. So the first thing is let me find it. A Jekka Black Brow Seal. Waterproof, comfortable to wear and non-flaky once dried. It provides a flexible hold that can be built up to suit a style tailored for you. And the recommended retail price of this is £14. I have got a few Jekka Black products that I've had in beauty boxes and I do kind of like them. And then we've also got this. This is interesting. It's called Skin Chemist Advanced Extreme Charcoal Teeth Whitening Gel. The fresh fragrance of rosemary is perfect for energising your mind, body and soul. We adore this handmade pure vegetable soap that gently cleanses, tones and refreshes without drying the skin. It's naturally powerful detergent action effectively removes dirt and bacteria and is formulated using the highest quality naturally derived ingredients with 100% natural fragrance. Well, that write-up doesn't match that, does it, at all? It's saying that it's a tooth whitening gel, but it refreshes without drying the skin. That don't make any sense whatsoever to me. But yeah, it's a tooth whitening gel. Whitens, cleans and brightens. So whether that is a mistake in the booklet, it must be. Gently cleanses, tones and refreshes without drying the skin. It says, well, you know, that's not that. So let's just ignore that. But yeah, the recommended retail price for this is a whopping £49. And you also get the toothbrush with it as well. So quite intrigued to try that, to be honest, for £49. I would never ever buy that. But yeah, I'm intrigued to try it. But that definitely is an error on their part, I would imagine. And then the next thing we have got is a We Are Paradox blow dry spray. Ultimate blow dry volumizing primer that will make your hair look and feel healthier than ever before. And the recommended retail price for this is £20. I do like stuff like that, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And then we have got a Emery Nails Gel Polish in the colour Penelope. So let's just take it out the box and have a look at the colour. And the recommended retail price for this is £8. And that is a nice colour. It's like a pinky nude colour. But as you know, I have acrylics and I have tons of nail polishes. So I'm going to be putting that in the giveaway as well today. And then also we have got a pair of lashes by Artitude False Lashes in Princess or Angel. So it's one of the two you could get. What have we got here? Angel. So we got the Angel ones in this box. And the recommended retail price for these is $9.99, and they're reusable up to 20 times with the proper love and care, and are 100% vegan and cruelty free. I don't wear lashes apart from magnetic lashes because I can't put them on. There's not any glue in there. No glue, just the lashes, but I will put those in the giveaway as well. So if you do wear lashes, you know, you will already have some glue. So that is Roccabox. Not a bad box. Looking forward to trying this. A bit confused about the write-up on this, the tooth whitening gel, but yeah, gonna try it. And I love a brow setting gel, so yeah, looking forward to trying that as well. And the other two things, the nail polish and the false lashes, are going in the giveaway. So that is Roccabox. Now let's do Look Fantastic. We've got a booklet as well. I don't know whether we're going to have any prices. It's called the Party Prep this month. No, I don't think there's any prices, but there is a little bit about, you have to scan the little code. Have we got a sneak peek for next month? Yes, we have. It's a Medicate micellar mousse. That's what we've got in next month's box. Never heard of a micellar mousse before, so that will be interesting. Right, let's have a look. We have got a little mini palette by Revolution, and they are a mixture of mattes and sparkles, and it's a little bit dusty. So yeah, you've got mattes and shimmers in there in those gorgeous nude colours. As I say, there's no prices, but it's called the Velvet Rose Mini Reloaded Palette. And then we have got a product by Avant, which is a very pricey brand, and this is the Collagen Touch Eclat Primer. Lightweight with a silky texture, this primer creates a smooth canvas that's ready for any kind of makeup. So yeah, I like a primer. Then we have got a Pure Bondi Sands Sleep Tanning Mask, a mini one in 10ml, like Bondi Sands products, but that's a mini one. Then we have got this, which I am really interested in trying because I've seen a lot of people talk about this, and it's the Colour Wow Dream Coat. Encourage smooth, sleek hairstyles with this anti-humidity spray, a heat-activated spray designed for all hair types. And I've heard really good stuff about Colour Wow, so I'm really interested in trying that. That's just a trial size, a little mini one, and you can scan these to get to the website if you want to buy the full size product. Then we have got some little Brushworks no crease hair clips, you know, the ones that you pop in your hair just off your face when you're doing your makeup and stuff. So how many's in there? 2. So there's 2 of those in there. I've got loads of these, so I'm going to be putting those in the giveaway as well. And then the last thing that we've got in this box, it's going to be one of 2 things. So it's either a shader brush or a tapered shading brush or a shader brush, cream shader brush. Let's see which one we've got. We have got the tapered shading brush by Lovia, and that's what it's like. And as you guys know, I love a makeup brush, and this is by the brand Luxie Beauty. So yeah, that's everything in the beauty boxes. So a couple of things from the boxes going in the giveaway. 3 things actually. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with them this month. They're not too bad. But as I say, I am going to be getting rid as soon as the subscriptions run out. So anyway, let's get on with this little giveaway that I've got for you. So the first thing I'm going to be giving away is this bag, the tote by Marc Jacobs. Now, I bought this off Saramart. I'll leave the video down below if you want to check that out, where I purchased stuff off Saramart. And as you guys know, I've been gifted a hell of a lot of bags. I've got a lot of bags, and I've got three more to show you, but I don't want to bombard you with them. So yeah, I'll include them somewhere along the line, but I have got a few more nice ones to show you. But some of them are going to be Christmas gifts. And I do like this bag, but I don't think, because I've got so many others, it's just going to sit in my wardrobe and get no use. So I thought I would give it to one of you guys. And what I've done, I've filled it with products as well. So inside this bag, I'm going to put the lashes from today's boxes, the nail polish and the hair clips. Those are all from today's boxes. And then I have put in this concealer from Lacura. I have tested it, so it has only been like used once, but it was a bit too sheer for me. So yeah, and it's in the shade number 2, so I'm going to pop that in. There's a little highlighter by Lovia. I'm going to pop that in as well. All the rest of the products are brand new. There is lipstick by Olivia Hale, and it's in like this browny pinky nude colour, so I'm going to pop that in. There's a lip gloss from Revolution, which would be lovely over the top of that lipstick, which is nice. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. I don't know whether the camera's picking that up, so I'm going to pop that in. There is a hand cream from Bubble Tea, strawberry macaron. So I'm going to pop that in. Then I am going to pop in this Wonder 2 Lash Extensions Stain Mascara. I'm going to pop that in as well. I think that's worth about 20 quid. Some of these Magnetone Wipeout Makeup Removers. Pop those in. There is a foundation by Olivia Hale, a brand new one, and this is in the shade Radiant. So I'm going to pop that in. A face mask, Primark one, amethyst sheet mask with amethyst and diamond powder. So I'm going to pop that in. As you can see, I had it from Primark in the sale. And then the last little thing that I'm going to pop in is this little necklace with the diamantes on, which I also had from Primark and I've never worn. So I'm going to pop that in as well. So all those items will be inside this little bag. So a goodie bag. If you'd like to enter to, you know, have a go at winning this little bag of goodies, then please like this video. Please be subscribed to my channel, and also comment down below with the hashtag DONE, D-O-N-E. And yeah, I'll draw the winner in a week or so, so you get it in time for Christmas. So yeah, I just want to I like giving back. I really do. As you know, I buy a lot of stuff. I get gifted a lot of stuff. So yeah, I just want to pay it forward and give back to you guys for all your ongoing support, which, as you all know, really, really does mean the world to me. So yeah, it's a lovely little bag. It really is. It's got the Marc Jacobs on the back, and it's in this lovely tan colour. Top handles and a shoulder strap, which is adjustable as well. So yeah, if you'd like to enter, please follow those rules. And yeah, I'll draw it in a week or so. So, my darlings, that is the end of today's vlog. What time are we on? It's 1:10. So yeah, I'm gonna finish editing this video and get it up as soon as possible. My internet at the moment, oh my god, it's so slow. And also, you know, even the shorter videos are just taking absolutely ages to upload to YouTube. So yeah, I don't know what time this one's going to be up, but I'm going to try and get it up as soon as possible. But it's been lovely to see you all again. Thank you so much for passing by and watching and spending a little bit of time with me. And I will see you all on Friday. Yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, if you like this kind of content. And also leave all your comments down below and I will have a little catch up with you guys down there. Yeah, that's it. I will see you all Friday. I love you loads. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.